so great, man.
I'm not sure where I'd be without you, man.
Well, I love that, man. And I always say, like, I'm just a facilitator, man. Let's go on your side. You know, the body has an amazing ability to heal itself.
Yeah.
It just has to be working and functioning how it was designed, man. It's done. One day, buddy.
No.
Good. Those are so good, man. Those ones help. They feel like they do. Yeah. Incredible. I'm just happy that they. Yeah. You got it, man. I'm just happy that that quick adjustment has made such a big impact.
It's crazy how much of it impact it really does make, though.
Like I said, I love that. Like, how much an improvement would you say you've had, percentage-wise? What would you say?
Honestly, I'd say I'm like 85-90%. Like, I really couldn't walk when I first came in.
Yeah, I remember, man. That's fantastic. 85 to 90% improvement. Yeah. That's huge, man.
Yeah, I'll take it any day.
Yeah, I say that all the time. Good. And there you go, man. Quick 2-minute correction, but look at the difference. Thanks again for sharing, brother.
Yeah, no